welcome to IP Study Video Lectures. Today we will discuss the 26th chapter of Grade 7 English Grammar, and our topic is antonyms. Antonyms are simply the words which have opposite meaning. That means they apply in the sentences with the opposite meanings. It obviously makes your vocabulary richer and stronger. Before the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify antonyms for various words, define antonyms, and make use of antonyms in sentences. That means you will be able to construct sentences easily with the words which are opposite in meaning. Let us study this example before we go further. I think the principal is a little rude. Really? He explained me about the rules and regulations of the school very politely. Now, if you observe, these two people have different opinions about the principal. Therefore, they're using the words which are completely opposite in their meaning. One of the person is calling him rude. The other is saying the antonym of rude, which is polite, that he was polite to him. So this is how we use opposite or antonyms in our sentences or in our paragraphs. There are a lot of words that exist in our vocabulary. We read them in dictionary, we read them in stories and every day. We also get few ideas when we think about certain sentences in our mind. But when you have contrasting opinions about anything, at that time you think about opposites. So we are going to read few words from the big list of words given in the book. First of all, let's read what is antonym. Words having opposite meaning to another word are called antonyms. Just like hot, the opposite of hot will be cold. Similarly, accept. The opposite or the antonym of accept is reject. For example, accept means to accept something, to agree with something, and reject means to refuse. They both are contrasting opinions, right? So we can construct a sentence like, she accepted the offer, but her friend rejected it. Or, her friend rejected the offer, but she accepted it. So this is how you can use antonyms in your sentences. We will read some more words such as ancient, modern, bold, timid, accelerate, retard. Accelerate means to be quick or to move something quickly, faster, in a fast speed. Retard means to slow down. He accelerated the car but retarded at the traffic signal. So these are two opposite meanings and two different contrasting opinions. Attract, repel, beginning, end. Agree, disagree. Again, somebody agree means to agree, to match or to accept someone's opinion. Disagree means to reject that opinion or to be in a contrasting opinion for the agreement. He disagreed with the idea, but others might agree. So this is how we can use these two words in our sentences. Some other words and their antonyms are dangerous, safe, empty, full, exit, entrance, fertile, barren. Fertile means when we talk about a land which is suitable for crops, and barren means a dry land. The land is fertile, but the desert remained barren. So this is how you can use them. We need antonyms in our daily language or while constructing sentences because we need contrasting ideas of these words as well. So when we want to represent contrasting ideas, at that time we think about the opposite words. Some other words and their antonyms can be high, low, hope, despair, heal, hurt, honest, dishonest, wild, tame. Wild means something which is uncontrolled, and tame means which you can tame or pet them, like in case of animals. Lion is a wild animal, but cats can be tamed. That means they both are very different from each other. Lions needs or want to roam freely because he's a wild animal, but cat can be tamed, can be pet at home. So this is how you use antonyms. Here is a list of words in your book. I would suggest you to please read carefully the complete table so that you build your vocabulary stronger. Antonyms are used to express opinions or ideas in a contrasting manner. You can use and read all of these words from the list given in the chapter given in the book. And you can find more words when you read other books and when you read sentences and try to find their opposite words. We can also make antonyms of words by adding some prefixes. For example, un, dis, ill, in, ir, im, miss. If we can use these prefixes, we can make antonyms of words as well. For example, common. Add un to it. Common, the opposite of common will be uncommon. Friendly, opposite will be unfriendly. Grateful, ungrateful. Healthy, unhealthy. Popular, unpopular. Wise, unwise. So lot of antonyms can also be made by adding prefixes in their words, like in. Active, the opposite will be inactive. Complete, incomplete. Correct, incorrect. Curable, incurable. Decent, indecent. Visible, invisible. Similarly, prefix ill can be used and words and the antonyms can be legal. The antonym of legal will be illegal. Legible, illegible. Literate, illiterate. Logical, illogical. Misprefix can also make antonyms such as behave. Good behavior, but the bad behavior antonym of good behavior will be misbehave. Guide, misguide. Print, misprint. Use, misuse. Prefix im can also be used to make antonyms such as immature, movable, immovable, mortal, immortal, perfect, imperfect, impossible, impure. Similarly, ir prefix can be used and the opposite of rational can be irrational. Regular, irregular. Relevant, irrelevant. Responsible, irresponsible. Similarly, dis prefix can be used and we get antonyms for agreement, disagreement. Appear, disappear. Connect, disconnect. Honest, dishonest. Like, dislike. Respect, disrespect. So, these were the words which can be created by adding prefixes such as un, in, ill, ir, im, miss and dis. But there are other antonyms that we did previously, as in this complete chart. These were the whole new words such as loose, tight, mournful, cheerful. So antonyms can be made by the whole new word, or some antonyms can also be made by adding prefixes. So keep learning them, keep revising them, take help from your dictionary and keep reading. Thank you so much for staying with us. See you later in the next video.